Hey guys, welcome back to Social Net. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your account from MeetMe application on your mobile device. If you want to get rid of your MeetMe account from your mobile device, then you can just do it in no time. The process to delete your MeetMe account is pretty simple, secure and straightforward. So in order to do that, all you have to do is watch this video very carefully and follow the simple steps. First, go to MeetMe application on your mobile device, then tap on it to open. Make sure you log into your MeetMe account. Now go and tap onto the profile icon that is located on the bottom right corner of your screen here. Once you land onto your profile icon, scroll down and tap onto the settings option available. Once you're on the settings page, go to the account settings section and tap onto the delete account option. Now if you delete your MeetMe account, you will delete your MeetMe photos, posts and friendship permanently. So go and tap on yes. Now in order to confirm your deletion, you will have to enter a valid email address in the text field here. Now provide the password you have set while registering for your account on this text field. Once done, go and tap on delete account. By doing this, you will have successfully deleted your MeetMe account from your mobile device. So that's all it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful, subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.